A quick way of checking the volume of your content or your design. If you have made maybe a bottle, you want to look at how much volume can it hold. For example, if this is a solid, if I'm able to go to evaluate then mass properties, it will give me a volume of 1.10908 liters. Or maybe I want to reduce these liters. Maybe I say shell this. If I do a shell, as you can see a shell, then I come here, check mass volume. You see again the volume is so small. How do I ensure that I get the volume, exact volume inside? If I do a section view, you can see this is a hollow part. Inside is a hollow. So how do I know that I want to fill the volume, or to which region or what brim? I can come here direct, a quick way, go to features, then take reference geometry plane. On this plane, click on this face, and then put, for example, I want to put 30 or 30, control 1. This is the plane. Then flip, maybe flip. I want to flip this side. I click OK. Then I can name this plane as my brim boundary. Maybe where our brim fill. Let me just put it brim fill. Maybe where I want to fill up to, and then I want to use a command called, because this inside is hollow, I want to use a command called intersect. So go to command here, search intersect. You will see intersect comes here. So I want to pick intersect, click on this intersect command, and then here you require to pick the plane. You have created this plane, you have created this plane here and this body, and then click here, create internal regions. Create internal regions, then click intersect. Once you do that one, you click OK. You will see it has created internal volume. If I do a section view, you can see inside here we have our internal volume. Then I want to change this internal volume. Maybe this, I want to say this is my liquid, which is inside. This is my liquid. Then this liquid, I want to change the appearance to be water. I want to give an appearance of water. Come here on the apply water, then I want to apply this water. Double click on it, it applies water. If I click on this shell, you're able to see that inside here we have water. So what do? I can hide this body, call it solid body. I can hide this first one. You have solid 1, you have solid 2. This is a complete. I want to hide this, maybe hide this one, for example. So this is the water we have. So this is the water that will fill inside. I can also hide this brim. This is the water that will fill inside. You see, this is the water will fill inside. If I want to now this mean water inside, come to evaluate, then mass properties. Here you will now get the volume is 1.095 liters, which is still okay within the range. So I can take this one as the volume of my liquid. If I show this also, you see this is the bottle. Or I can make this one to be transparent, change it to transparency. Then you can see that this is water. You see water inside. This is the bottle and this is the water. So you can able to know how much you're going to fill. If I fill up to this region, this is maybe water. I can even design. Maybe I tell my client when you're filling the liquid, for example, if it is now, let's say Fanta or cola or milk or juice, I say fill up to this region. So I'm the one who decides where they are going to fill up to. So as you can see, this what you can use to measure the volume. You can use what you call design intent to measure the volume of your liquid. So this is what you can use to measure the volume of the liquid inside SolidWorks.